Hello everyone, this is Raj here. Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 17 class where we are going to discuss record types, page layouts and compact layouts. Right? So why we need to create these page layouts, why we need to create these record types, right? So why we need to create these compact layouts, what are these uses, right? So how to create these record types and these layouts. Okay? So by using this page layouts concept, let me go into the Salesforce, right? So by using this page layout customization, so whatever the page layout means, whatever the UI screen which you are seeing here, go to the accounts object. So if you go to any record inside this account object, right? So I'm going to into this record. If you see here, this is the one layout which you are seeing here. Right? This is the layout which you are seeing here. So it contains some set of fields. The user interface screen, which you are seeing the user interface screen. By using this page layout customization, we can customize, right? We can customize the complete page which we are seeing here. That means we can add required sections in this layout. We can add required sections. So for example, this address communication, see here billing address, shipping address. I want to separate this into a different section. Right? So I can add this particular information in a separate section and contact information. If you can see here, phone, fax, website. So this is the contact information. So where I can separate into a separate section, right? So like this is annual revenue, service tax, net amount. So annual revenue section, I want to separate it. So like this, I can separate. We can specify the number of columns to be used and arrange the fields, right? So we can arrange the fields. So from up, I want to arrange the fields account name at the fourth row, or I want to arrange this type to the at the top of the page. So I can rearrange. I can shuffle the fields in any sections, and also I can arrange into a number of columns. So let's say I want all the fields in a single column. Yes, I can arrange, or I want to arrange in a two columns, right? So we can arrange here the fields in a different columns, right? So we can we can place the required fields as well in this particular section. So if I want to make any field as a mandatory field, so when creating the field itself, we can make it as a mandatory, right? So but here from the directly in this page layout, we can create a particular field as a mandatory field. Okay, let me go into this page layout and customize this page layout, and I will show you some of the features in what are the features involved in it. Right? Okay. So go to this edit object. So let me create a new page layout. Okay. See here page layouts. In the left side section, you can see this page layout. So if you click on this page layout, there are four different layouts are there. Account layout, account sales, account support, account marketing. Right? Let me try to create a new page layout where I'm going to take existing account layout. Existing layout I'm considering as my reference and I can customize this. So let me take here new layout, new customer layout. Okay. I'm taking new customer layout, new account layout. Okay. Save it. Now the page layout is ready. So now we can customize. See here at the top. Okay. Fields are there, buttons are there, custom links are there, quick actions. Okay. Let me see all these things. Okay. So now come down. If you can see here, this is the one section, account information. If you can see here, account information, which are arranged in a two columns here. Right. If you want to add any separate section, right, there is a one option here, section. Just drag and drop this wherever you want. So I want to drag and drop to here. Okay. So see here section name, new section. So I am updating it as contacts, contact information. Okay, contact information I'm keeping here. So display section header on detailed page and as well as a edit page. See here layout in a single column you want or in a two columns. Yes, two columns. And then the tab key order is there. So we can specify the tab key order for each section. Right? This is one of the important feature here. So we can specify the tab key. So this is the first field, second field, third field, and fourth field. Or you can specify in the vertical 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay. So now click on OK. See, contact information is ready. Now I am going to shuffle the fields. That means I am going to drag and drop this phone field into this contact information and fax field in this contact information. Okay. And address information. See here, address information. So on edit page only it is there. Just click on this property section. Properties is there, right? If I want to remove this, you can click on minus symbol. Or if you want to edit this, click on this. So I want to display this header on detail page as well. Okay. So now click on OK. So see, address information is now visible. So address information I have separated. Previously, all are in a single page. Right? All the information lies in a single page. Now I have separated contact information, address information, and I want to separate the additional information as well. See here, if you want to add another section, yes, you can add another section and add additional information. So now already additional information is there. Just I am clicking on the settings. Now I am going to visible as a separate. In a detail page also, I want to view this. Click on OK. See, additional page is there. And as well as system information. Click on settings to be visible on the detailed page. Yes. Now all are separated in a different sections. Now I want to arrange this particular annual revenue, service tax, total opportunities, all this information. Okay. So like income information. Let's say now I want to add one more section here. Let's say here income information. Okay. Now click on OK here. Just add this annual revenue here, service tax and net amount. That's it. Okay. This total opportunities amount also I am drag and drop in here. Total opportunities and amount to be here. Okay. See here. So now adding account information is visible. So now click on the settings to be visible on the detailed page as well. Click on OK. Account information, income information, contact information, address information, additional information. See different sections I have divided. Right. If you want to add any blank spaces, yes, if see here, I want to add a blank space here. See, some space is there, blank space. Yeah, or else I don't want this blank space, remove this. The minus symbol indicates you can remove this. And one more here. So when I am writing any validation rules or when creating any field, I can make a particular field as a mandatory field, required field, right? So like this, whenever the field is getting created, so this particular account name is a mandatory field. It is a required field, right? So, and phone number field, if you can see here, phone number field, which we made it as a mandatory, right? By using validation rules. By using validation rules, we have made it as a mandatory field, this phone number of this phone field. Like this, in this particular new page layout, I am updating this particular type field as a mandatory. Go to this properties, see here, type as a required. Click on OK. See now star mark is there. So that means it is a required field. So for the remaining fields, it is not mandatory, right? So now click on this. Let me say the rating also I am making it as a mandatory. Click on this properties, update it as a required field, right? See here simply. So no need to write any validation rules. No need to go to the field like editing of any field and update the particular field data type inside the data type and mark it as a required, right? No need to go anywhere. Directly in the page layouts, we can place the required fields inside the section. And we can move the fields from one section to the another section. Just now I did see. Right? From one section to the another section, I can move the fields from one section to the another section. Right? We can make the field as a required and as well as a read-only field as well. Right? I want to make this particular account number as a read-only field. Just click on this properties, make it as a read-only. Click on OK. See, locked. All these are fields are read-only fields. Lock symbol indicates the read-only fields. Star symbol indicates the required fields. Right? We can add the required fields onto this particular layout. Now come down. Now come down. See here there are different options are there. Fields. Just now we have completed this. Right? If you want to add any field directly from, so there are see number of fields is still not added in this particular layout. Right? Now I want to add this particular dunce number. Just drag and drop this dunce number and place it here. That's it. Okay, I don't want this dunce number. Just remove this. Click on this minus symbol, it will go up. Right? If you want to add into this particular layout, these are the extra fields which are not added in the layout. Now I want to add this particular dunce number into this layout. Yes, add it into this layout now. Okay. Next, coming to these buttons. So whatever the buttons are there, see, these are all the buttons which you are seeing here. Right? What about this button? This buttons is for classic purpose only. Whatever the buttons you are going to add, see here, edit, change owner, change record tab, all these buttons are in the classic pages. Right? So in the classic pages, if you want to add, yes, you can add directly, drag and drop this company hierarchy. See, custom buttons are there. These are the standard buttons given by the Salesforce. If you want to add any custom buttons, you can just drag and drop it here. That is going to be visible under the standard classic pages. Right? Under the classic layouts, we can see those buttons here. So what about the lightning then? See here, mobile and lightning actions. If you want to add any buttons in the lightning pages, just drag and drop whatever the buttons you want. Right? These are all the buttons. Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions are there, right? Just if you want to remove this new task, new something is from here, just remove this and see file gone. Now I'm going to add a new account directly here, drag and drop this. That's it. Like this, we can customize this. Right? Like this, we can add and remove the buttons. If you want to add any actions or links, see here, see these are some of the actions are there. Okay, now just to drag and drop these actions. These are the classic quick actions in the Salesforce Classic. This is the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions and the buttons. Okay, if you go to the related list, so come down. Now let me go into the Salesforce account object. So go to this related. See here, there are some of the related lists are there. Right? Some of the related lists are there like a contact, opportunities, cases. Now I don't want this notes and attachment, partners. I don't want all these things. I want only whatever. So contacts, opportunities and cases. That's it. Okay. How I can customize this? So if you come down, see here related list, contacts are there, opportunities are there, cases are there, open activities are there, right? Some activity history. I don't want these notes and attachments, right? And I don't want these partners. Just click on this minus symbol. That's it. So I don't want these partners. Remove it, right? And if you go here, so if you see here, some information is only visible to you. So if I can show you in detail, let me quick save this. Quick save means it is going to say whatever the changes you have done, it is going to save and it still lies in the same page. If you want to do any modification, yes, you can do here from here. Right? Save means it will redirect to the other pages. It is going to save the changes and redirect to the page layouts homepage. Okay, I will show you that also. Let me go into the Salesforce Classic version. Go to the Classic. I will show you what are all these things. See here, name related to task, due date, status. So there are some information, extra information is this. For this cases, case, contact name, subject, priority, all these details are there. No, I don't want all these details to be visible. So I want only cases, priority, and the status. That's it. Right? For opportunities, I want extra information. How I can customize this? If you can see here, go to the accounts, go to any one of the accounts. So if you go to come down, see for the opportunities, opportunity name, stage, amount, close date. Four fields are there. Okay, one, two, three, four. For cases, case, contact name, subject, priority, date opened, all this information is there. Now I am going to customize this. Okay, so let me add here one, two, three, four columns are there for the opportunities. Go to the settings. Okay, now I am going to add here type. Okay, I'm going to add type here. Okay, click on this type. One, two, three, five. Okay, now come down. So which layout it is going to be visible? Okay, so I have created as of now the layout is not saved, right? So apply column information to other page layouts it is showing. So just minimize it. So if you want to add any buttons also, yes, you can add. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now add one more here. Let me go to this cases. So now I'm going to remove date open. I don't want owner. I don't want. Okay, one, two, three, four, five only now. Information is there. Previously seven are there. Now five are there. Now click on OK. Just save it. That's it. Just click on save. Okay. Now go to this Edge Communications. Refresh the screen. See here. One, two, three, four, fifth. Fifth. Right. Fifth column is added here. Previously only four columns are there for the related list. Right now five columns are there. Like the same way for the cases also. One, two, three, four, five. Previously seven columns are there. Now you can customize into five columns. Like this we can customize here. Right? Like this we can customize. We can customize the related list. That means we can add and remove this related list, and also for each related list we can customize the columns as well. Right? So if you go to here, now this is the new customer layout which I have created. Now, how to give this particular layout? So if you go back, just refresh the screen again, right? See, as just now I have added different sections like account information section, contact section, additional section, address section. Where are all these sections? And also I have added DUNS number also. Where is the DUNS number? Where all this gone? Just now I have updated and I already saved this, but I am unable to see all this information here. Why? Right? Not only in the classic, if you go to switch to lightning experience, go to account record, any one of the record, go to the details. See, where are the sections here? Just now I have updated so many sections, but where? That is why record types coming into the picture here. Right? That is why record types coming into the picture. What is the record type here? Why we need to use the record types? Right? Why should we go for the record types? And how we are going to create these record types? Let's say an example here. I'm having a let's say ICICI bank application. Right, so many customers are using generally any bank application. So when you go to any ICICI bank websites, so there are different types of accounts. So if you want to log in into a savings account, separate login page will be there. If you want to go to a salary account, separate login page. Right, if you want to go to a joint account, if you want to go to a corporate account, so different pages will be there. That means the types of account, based on the types of accounts, so different pages, different user interfaces they have created. Just like this, just now I have created. So this is the new customer layout, right? This should be appear for the new, for whoever the new customers are there. So for old customers, this is the layout they are going to see. Now for the new customers, the new page layout should appear to them. Okay, the new layout should be appear to them. How I can customize this, right? So, but for the related list, that's all the changes are applied to all the layouts, right? Why? Because in the old layouts also, just whenever I'm customizing this, if you see here, go to the related list. Whenever I'm customizing this, there is an option here. If you want to apply these changes to the other layouts, see, apply this related list only for the related list properties. Only for the related list properties, whatever the changes you did. If you want to apply those changes to the other layouts, yes, right? I have checked these boxes all as true. That is the reason all the related list for the remaining layouts also changed. Okay. So let me show you here. Let me go here into this page layouts, new customer layout. Go to this related list, only exclusive to the related list. I am adding one more change here. Let me add to the cases, case origin I'm adding, and case source I'm adding. Okay, total 7. Now I don't want all these things. I want to be applicable only to this particular layout, not for the account, support, sales, and marketing. Okay, click on OK. That's it. Save it. Only for this particular layout, only 7. For the cases, 7 columns is going to visible. Okay. Now, how to check? Right. So like this, different customers should have different layouts. So like existing customer should have this old layout and the new customer should have this new layout. In order to differentiate this, right? So we are having a record types feature. We are having, see here in the left side, we are having record types feature. So by using this feature, we can provide different user interfaces to the different people, right? With the different pick list values as well, with the different pick list values. Okay. So for the different businesses, they are for suppose there we are having two different businesses. So for these two different businesses, different users are there. So for the business A, different user interface should be visible to them. And for the business B, some different user interface should be visible to them. Okay. So how I can customize this? Right? An object can have one or more page layouts. And that we are going to already we have customized. And these page layouts I am going to assigning to this new record types. Right? By using this record types, we can provide the different pick list values as well. Okay. Let me show you. So click on this new record type. So existing record, I'm taking reference as a master. So record type label as new customer. Okay, new customer. I am going to activate this. And for which profile? I am making available to all the profiles. Okay, now click on next. See here, which layout? So for this new customer, only see here, for every profile, account marketing layout is assigned by defaultly. Now I am going to apply a different layout for each profile, right? So I am not disturbing the remaining one. I am going to disturb for the system administrator profile, right? New customer layout for the system administrator profile. So for the new customer record type, new customer layout should appear. So keep in mind that for the system administrator profile, new customer record type, new customer layout should appear, right? This is the combination. For this profile, for this record type, this user interface should appear. Okay. Now click on save. That's it. Done. Now let me check here. Okay. Already assignment is also complete. See pick list values. Whatever the pick list values are, all the pick list values will be visible. So how to verify this? So for example, for industry, we are having number of pick list values. See, number of pick list values are there. Now I don't want all these things. I am removing. Just I am going to add banking, education, let's say entertainment. Okay, only 3 pick list values I'm going to add. Okay, for testing purpose only. Now click on save. In generally, we are having for industry, when you open any industry, there are number of pick list values like this. If you go to details, where is the industry? If you click on this industry pick list value, where is this? See, number of pick list values are there. Okay. So now I don't want to be visible for the new customer. All the pick list values, I don't want to be visible. And different user interface should appear to him. Okay. Now go to this accounts. Now go to this accounts. Just refresh the page. Just click on new. Just click on new. Now the system will ask, see here, see, for the system administrator. So for the whatever the just now I said, right. So for the system administrator profile, I have made it as a default. No, no, I don't want to make it as a default. Let the user to check means yes, we can give that option also as well. Right, in the go to the profiles, system administrator profile, and don't make this particular record type as a default. Okay, remove this default so that new customers or the existing customers will choose, right, whether it is a new or whether it is an existing. Okay, so now here I have made this particular record type as a default one. So for this accounts, whenever you go to this accounts, new customer, see, this is the new customer, right? So new customer logging in, see, rating as a mandatory. From the page layouts, I have made it as a mandatory. So when only for this particular page layout only, it will become mandatory, not for all the page layouts. Only for this new customer page layout only, it is going to be a mandatory field. Now hot, let me take this account as, let me take this Raj name. And if you go to type prospect, see industry. Where what about the remaining pick list values? No, it will not come because it is a new customer layout. Okay, so see here only banking is there. Okay, bank, see DUNS number I have added, right? DUNS number is there. Okay, so income information, annual revenue, only the annual revenue is there because remaining all are read only fields, right? All the remaining fields are read only fields, right? So annual revenue is there. Some annual revenue I'm giving. See contact information. Let me give some contact information. Building, see address information is there. Additional information is there. Okay, see, and some description information is there. So different sections are there. But previously not like this. All this comes under the same user interface. Click on save. Done. Now go to this details. See account information. Income information is there. See service tax, annual revenue, service tax, net amount, total opportunities amount. So all the information is there. Right? Contact information is there. Address information is there. Additional information. But for the previous one, for go to the old example, edge communications also. This is the edge communications for the existing record, and this the Raj is the new record. So observe these changes. This is the edge communications old record. The user interface is different because this is the account layout, normal account layout. That means existing layout. So this is the new layout, page layout, which I have created. So account information, right? Contact information, address information, additional information. Like this, we can customize this layout, right? And we can create a different record types and we can add those record types. We can add the whatever the page layouts we have created. We can assign those layouts to these record types. Like this, we can create a new layouts and assign these layouts to the new record types. Okay, got it right? So record types and the page layouts. And what about the compact layouts? When you click going here, see, this is the compact layout which you are seeing. Go to the related list. See, go for the related also only one, two, three, three options are only there. Contacts, opportunities, and cases. Right? So let me go to any one of the account. I will show you the compact layout as well. So see here, if you just not clicking, just keep your cursor on the contacts, whatever the highlight hyperlink is there, just go and make the cursor there, right? Just keep the cursor on the hyperlink. So what if you go to this hyperlink, the options which you are seeing here, title, account name, phone, email, mobile, contact owner. So this is the information which you are seeing here, right? This is the compact layout. This is the another user interface which you are seeing. This is the normal layout which we can customize already. We have covered this. So now here, if you go to any one of the hyperlink, some compact layout is there. This is the new user interface screen, which is system is showing. Now I don't want this particular fields to be visible. I want other fields to be visible, or I want add-on fields, some extra enhancements to be visible here. How I can customize this particular compact layouts? You go to this edit object. Right now, see here, there is an option. The left side, there is an option compact layout. Click on this compact layout. See, this is the system default layout is there. Now click on new layout. Right, this is the new layout for the new customer. Right, new compact layout. This is. So I have created new customer record type, new customer page layout, and as well as a new customer compact layout. So in this particular layout, I want to be visible. See, available select compact layout fields to be visible for the particular accounts, right? For the particular accounts. So I want to be visible, active, and next annual revenue, and next account name, all this. Only three fields or four fields, whatever you want, right? So let me add industry as well. Like this, we can customize this. Okay, now click on save. Right, after submitting this, right, after creating this compact layout, I want to assign. So this particular, see, compact layout assignment is there. Now click on this compact layout assignment. To whom I need to assign this? Right, previously it is a system default, right? Now for this record type override. So to which record type? So for this new customer record type. Right, for this new customer record type, I am going to add this inherit from the primary. Okay, now click on this edit assignment. Right, now click on this edit assignment. So whatever the primary layout is there, system default is there. Now there is a one more compact layout, which is a new customer, which just now I have created. Right, so if I want to make it as a default to all profiles, all record types, right, so click on this new customer. So primary compact layout will be the new customer. Or if I want to update to only this particular new customer record type, yes, you can add C, new customer record type, or inherit from the parent. Inherit from the parent means here I have updated from the system default to new customer. So obviously for the new record type also the new customer compact layout will come. Right? So by default it will come. Right? Or else for the primary compact layout, I am making it as system default, and for this only the new customer record types, I can make it as a new customer. Right? Whatever the changes you want, you can update it like this. New customer or inherit from the primary. Okay, click on save. That's it. Done. Right? So for this new customer record type, inherit from the primary. What is the primary? New customer compact layout. Okay, click on save. That's it. Okay. Like this way, we can update, create this compact layout, and we can assign this compact layout as well. Okay. So like this, we are going to create this record types, page layouts, and compact layouts. We have seen the assignments as well, how to create and how to assign these layouts. Okay. So that's it for today. So if you are having any doubts at any point of time, so please mention in the comment section. So I will respond to those comments, or in the weekend and in the Saturday, I am coming to live. There we can discuss. Right, the live link will be updated in the comment section. So keep following this channel for the latest updates. When this particular live link is going to share, all these details we are going to share in this comments, and we are keep posting on this channel for the latest updates. So keep following this channel. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, then there we can discuss. Thank you guys.